So we have to check with the vendor. See, this is complete. It's coming with the vendor. They must have missed here.
Yes.
The vendor.
Ahmed, this pump and this dosing unit all together by
and this complete control is there. You can say HMI and everything. Control, but no monitoring. The control is from there, then you are providing signal to the SCADA.
Exactly, because see, this is the pumps, like
Every complete system is monitored and controlled from local control panel.
no, from the our SCADA system, for example, for the this section, this pump.
No, we are not talking about this.
I said,
For
for the
polymer. That's the thing will not be there.
The volume is completely by vendor, yes, by DRC.
That's why I'm telling you.
So,
What you
Imran, if that is the case, so we have taken one recommendation, review the operational control flows. Yeah.
It is there. The part, complete part is there.
We have sequence for the modular system. This will be integrated with SCADA only for by monitoring this. We have total also. No, the purpose of
Is asking for PA is there.
Okay, if this pump trips, how do I come to know? And do you have a pump trip alarm and is auto start standby pump? See, if you don't help now, then you will take recommendation. This will not good for you. So pump trip alarm.